Hi guys, a short video of backpacker who is on juice detox. It's me. I'm in a hostel in Istanbul and it's a bit cold here, and I'm going to my kitchen to squeeze my juices, and you will see how it looks like today, and you will see also that not every day it's so easy. This kitchen is quite small, it's very tiny, but and also not so well equipped like the previous one. But you can do it, as I'm always saying, it's just an effort. So you see how it looks like. It's a bit dark here. So here we go, down, 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 down. And yeah, and just directly to the kitchen. I'll show you what we have today. The menu is quite as usual. It's my melon. Let me just show you my kitchen. So that's what we have here. I have here, somewhere here, hidden my, my beauties. So my melon and my mandarins and also my apples. I'll show you here. Okay. All right. This is like huge melon that we have here. Yeah, okay. And this one I'm gonna take for, oh my god, it's just running away. It's running away. So yeah, so that's my melon and my mandarins here as well, and some huge apples that I bought here as well. And that's what we're gonna do for juice detox today. So just melon and apples basically. And yeah, so that's for me and for you for now, and I'll see you later. Bye.